Ever wondered why blue hues are a rarity in nature? The answer lies in the complexity of producing blue pigments. Unlike the abundance of reds and greens in the natural world, the creation of blue requires specific biochemical pathways that many organisms simply don't possess. Yet the scarcity of blue makes its presence all the more fascinating. Take bluebirds, for instance, or blue butterflies, or those rare flowers that defy the norm and bloom in brilliant blues. They've developed unique mechanisms to produce these elusive pigments, making their blue hues a breathtaking exception to nature's color palette. So the next time you spot a flash of blue in the wild, remember, it's a rare spectacle of nature's ingenuity.